Hey guys, today I made my own version of the apple crisp drink from Starbucks. I started off with like 3 pumps of their apple brown sugar syrup and then the Infinite double espresso pod. I brewed that over the syrup, then I got my glass and I added some ice. Then I added my oat milk and I added a little less than usual because I'm doing cold foam. I added my shots on top of that, and then I used the best creamer ever to make my cold foam. And then I know they don't mix their macchiato, but I just gave it a stir and I added the cinnamon toast cold foam, and then I used some caramel drizzle and I stirred everything together and it was literally so good.